Hello everyone. This is going to be one of the most important videos I've ever made on YouTube because the amount of things that have happened in the last 24 hours is absolutely monumental. Without any further ado, let's just jump straight into this. And I know that if you look at the price of Bitcoin, it kind of got rejected from this area, from 72K, and we're all the way down to 67. But forget about Bitcoin for now. Let's talk about Ethereum. Let's talk about the spot Ethereum ETF being approved and what is the target for ETH now? What is next for ETH? There is one threat that is right now hanging over the globe in general, which has some implications on crypto as well, which could turn the markets very fast. So, and all this happiness could be short-lived. So, if you want to know what it is, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, please watch my videos from the beginning and until the end. You really need to know everything I have to convey. Otherwise, you're going to be confused. So let's just jump right into it. And quick update on the ETFs. We have nice volume. BlackRock keeps accumulating. Nice volume. A little bit of selling from Grayscale. Nothing that very much interesting. Now, when it comes to our trade on Ethereum, it is looking quite good. 200,000 at some point right here on the approval yesterday on this spike up, we had plus 370,000, which is quite insane. So why didn't I take the profit? Yeah, if there was such a huge profit and if it's correcting now, let me explain everything in due time. Let me give you all the information first and then we'll continue. And certainly guys, I gotta tell you that right now with Bybit, because as you can see, I'm trading over in Bybit, you can claim for one up to $30,000 using the exclusive link down description of this video, but also, if you deposit more than, this is for whales, if you're a whale, if you're trading with more than 100,000, and if you deposit more than 100,000 using my link down description of this video, you can claim a 42% discount on trading fees as a whale. If you use my link down description of this video, 42% discount. But for that, you need to deposit at least $100,000 using my link. Okay, now let's move on. Let's see what is going on, because the amount of stuff I have to share with you guys here today is absolutely insane. So for one is, I'm the Mr. I told you so, Mr. Spot On. I told you that the spot Ethereum ETF will be approved, and people didn't believe me. Well, people don't have the profits I do now, do you? So anyway, right here, that the SEC has approved the spot Ethereum ETF for BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, Bitwise, Van Eyck, etc. And it's currently unclear how long this process will take, but Bloomberg's analyst says, speculates that it could take several weeks until we actually see the trading begin. And then we're going to have to see what is the volume, is there demand, or is it just a flop, just like the Hong Kong one, just because there is no staking, and that's what Wall Street maybe have been looking forward to. We'll see. But that's the current situation in general. Just congratulations, guys, because Ethereum is going to be going parabolic. Para-fucking-bolic. And I'm going to give you my price targets shortly. But then that's not it. This is not the only good piece of news. And the market it doesn't seem like it's pricing this in. Like, this is also huge. You remember all this talks about the naysayers and degens saying that, oh, you know what, they're gonna put out a CBDC and then they're gonna ban crypto and blah, blah. So guess what? The United States just officially banned CBDCs. You wanna see it? The bill to ban Fed from issuing CBDCs has just passed the US House. Pro-crypto, pro-freedom politicians are just wrecking up the WS. So we have I think even Democrats were actually voting for this. So no more CBDCs. So how crazy is that? But then, this is not all good news. It's not all. I'm not done yet. Here it is, another one. The White House issues a new statement saying it will not veto HR 4763. If you have short memory and you don't remember what is HR 4763, and that is that, as you might remember, Biden was standing against the Congress and also the Senate that passed the bill that is taking the power over crypto from the SEC. And he said that, I'm going to veto this bill. And now he's saying that he's not going to veto it. So it is becoming law. SEC is losing power over crypto. It is a monumental win. And I mean, SEC really just gave in with this Ethereum spot ETF. It just gave in. So guys, This, in my opinion, is going to be one of the craziest bull runs we've ever seen. I hope you're ready for it. And then you're going to ask yourself, like, why is Bitcoin going down then? Why is Ethereum going down then? I'm going to discuss this in just a second. And guys, I told you about Ethereum, and you're welcome with the profits if you've listened to me. Now I'm telling you that the next big thing, the biggest, craziest narrative will be the event horizon. There's a link to it down in the description of this video, and also, this is the link right here, this is the website. So for now, it's just a landing page, and we just actually, you can add it to your calendar right here. You can actually click add to calendar, you can add this event to your calendar. It's gonna actually launch on June 1st at 5 p.m. Central European time. So this is basically, we actually extended it into June 1st because we thought it's gonna be quite symbolic, because I'm turning 30 years old on June 1st, and this is going to be a new era. Like, the amount of money we're investing in this and what we're creating here for the people, for the world, is insane. It's gonna be the next hype, but if you're gonna be early in this, you're gonna claim all the insane benefits. So be early in this. And once this countdown is over, you have to participate. You have to complete tasks, mint achievement badges, and collect them, because later on, they're gonna come in very handy. So, but anyway, not giving away too much as to what Event Horizon is. It's going to be a long roadmap for the next 2-3 years. Insane ecosystem. But okay, let's move on. And there is another piece of news. So I'm not done yet. I'm not done. Unbelievable, isn't it? The UK, first UK Bitcoin and crypto ETPs. You remember, ETP is the same as ETF, but it's also underlying assets. It's either Bitcoin or Ethereum, etc. But it's just a slightly different thing. But what matters is that it actually has accumulation of spot as well. So there has to be an underlying asset under an ETP, which is similar to an ETF. And it was approved in UK, and it will launch on May 28th, which is, I'm not expecting crazy volume from this, but there will be volume. So this is intense. This is intense. I'm so happy. And this is a Friday, and today I'm probably going to go out into some Latvian club. I don't know, I'm gonna celebrate even though I don't drink. This is insane. But now let's discuss as to why the prices are going down, what to expect next. Okay, Ethereum ETF, great, why are we going down? Let's see. This here, Bernstein says that Ethereum will hit 6,600 after ETF approval. So there's a lot of bets now that are far higher than any previous bets. I'll take you to the chart. I'm gonna give you my price target for Ethereum right now and for my trade. And also, before I do, I want to give you this, as I told you in the beginning of the video, that there is one factor that could really fuck it all up. And that is something you really need to pay attention to, because we had elections in Taiwan recently, and it's got, again, to do with geopolitics. We had so many situations globally that, we don't need another one, but here it is. So, actually, China launches an exercise, joint sword, whatever, surrounding Taiwan from all directions, literally. And basically, China launches like a military exercise surrounding Taiwan. So this is what they did. And right now, everybody is scared shitless that this could be actually the beginning of an invasion into Taiwan. Me, I don't know. I have no idea what they're doing. I am not a political expert and a military expert, so I cannot tell you what the hell is happening. All I can say is that I really hope it's not the case, because probably the US will probably respond to this. So, and this could really turn the markets upside down for at least short term. And we really don't need this crap right now. So I hope that this is not going to be the case. So now this brings me to the chart. And this brings me to my targets on Ethereum as to what's next. And what is next is very simple. Just like with the spot Bitcoin ETF, the anticipation was crazy, and then it was sell the news. And right now, with this crazy momentum, when it comes to ETH, look at the explosion. This whole build-up, and then this whole correction of a few months was erased within a few hours. It was literally erased. So we almost hit the local high of 4,000, which was very, very close. We were very close to it. And now we are correcting downwards. So this right here, this correction right here is very simple. Right now, a lot of idiots are degening into a trade on Ethereum, and we were seeing this by volumes and stuff. And it's funny how when you tell people go early, go against the crowd, nah, you're an idiot. And now when they're like, oh, when the trade is so obvious, they're longing with 100x leverage. Just retarded. But that's what people do, and this is what the market always realizes as well. Like, it's so obvious. So we're gonna shave the hamsters a little bit, shave the idiots and people who are just naysayers and who like to do obvious shit, which the market likes to actually shave, and the market likes to kick these people out and really make them lose money and just pull their liquidity. So this is what is happening. This is the concept of sell the news, because we priced in the probabilities of the ETF with this move, and now we're actually so it was already priced in. What wasn't priced in, the actual inflow into Ethereum through the ETF, which will probably come in a few weeks. So therefore, what I'm expecting from the price now is that we're going to probably actually kick people out here, maybe go a little bit lower, maybe retest this area, create some kind of consolidation, and then actually start moving closer to once the actual demand will start creeping in, probably sometime in June, maybe even July, depending on how much time it's going to take them to actually launch the whole thing. So when it comes to my targets, guys, when it comes to my targets on Ethereum, because this trade right here is looking very beautiful. And I can tell you that my initial first target for this trade is $10,000 per Ethereum. 10K minimum. Because look, the market cap, 400 billion? Look at what happened with Bitcoin when the ETFs started to flow, like the volume started to flow, the inflows. The price just keeps going up, and it will keep going up. So with Ethereum, I think that this event will be actually double. We'll have to see what the volume of the inflows is, and what the size of the inflows. Hopefully it's not gonna be a flop. But generally speaking, if everything goes as planned, 10K per ETH is easy, and probably we're gonna surpass it this bull run beyond even 12, 13K and 14K. But that could be a bit of a stretch, we'll see. But that's my target for ETH. Minimum 10K, 12K, market cap beyond $1 trillion. Easy. Peace and love. Thomas Crawler. Check out this quick tutorials how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. Stay tuned for Event Horizon and get yourself 42% discount on Bybit on fees if you deposit more than 100K using my link down in the description of this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.